A tranquil village awakens, bathed in the gentle embrace of dawn, as villagers embark on their daily rituals. Amidst the ordinary, a narrative voice whispers of an extraordinary child, marked by golden eyes and a tender soul. In this village, a special child was born. His golden eyes and gentle nature set him apart. In a moment of pure enchantment, a white rabbit emerges, its nose twitching with curiosity, and speaks with a voice clear as a silver bell. With a flick of its paw, the rabbit summons a dazzling shower of sparkling leaves, painting the air with a kaleidoscope of light and color. In wide-eyed wonder, the child gazes upon the spectacle, their hearts swelling with a joy that transcends the ordinary. With curiosity sparkling in their eyes, the child ventures into the unknown depths of the cellar. In a terrifying instant, the cellar door crashes shut, plunging the child into an abyss of darkness and chilling silence. The air grows heavy with anticipation as an eerie silence descends, prickling the child's skin with the first icy touch of fear. The rabbit's senses sharpen, detecting hidden secrets etched onto the damp walls, as they face a magical trial that tests their courage and the strength of their bond. In a silent pact, they recognize the challenge before them, a trial designed to expose the depths of their bravery and the resilience of their friendship. The child and the rabbit, bound by trust and devoid of fear, clasp hands tightly. With eyes closed in fervent prayer, a tangible sense of unity and unwavering faith fills the air. In this emotional climax, the cellar transforms into a sanctuary of hope. Bathed in the warm, golden light of transformation, the village stands as a testament to the profound shift ignited by their courage. In a moment of pure magic, the child smiles, their radiant face mirroring the light of friendship, courage, and faith as they share their lesson.